Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As we've already announced on the channel, we have chosen to homeschool the kids this year. We didn't do the traditional route of homeschool though. We signed up for K12, which essentially is an online public school. It's going to be taught at home, online with teachers. So eventually I want to integrate them over to a traditional homeschool, but I'm a little afraid to do so. Just not ready yet. I have to mentally prepare myself. I have to get coursework prepared, and I gotta get some trust in myself. Mike works a lot, so it's gonna fall on me, which is fine, but I need to be prepared to take on that. And I have to see if I can mentally take a full year of having the kids home learning. E-learning took a toll. E-learning was rough. It got better over time, but the first couple weeks, there were tears, and I just may have indulged in a little bit of alcohol at times. It was rough. So, we went with K12. We've already said in our video our reasoning behind it. COVID had some play in the reasoning, but we also had reasoning that had to do with the school system itself. So, we just got our boxes. We're starting to get the boxes in for K12. And I know a lot of you guys are still trying to decide what are you going to do. You're just like me. You don't quite trust yourself to teach on your own. You don't really want to send them back to school, mainly because of the COVID risks. So you're trying to decide, what do we do? And K12 is something that most states offer, and a lot of people have brought up and considered. They're curious, what exactly does it come with? What do you get? So I figured, why not? We're going to unbox the boxes for each grade and show you what my kids got for that grade level. I'm starting off with this box here. This is Landon's box. This is for 6th grade. Mind you, I've already been warned we're probably going to be sending this box back for the most part and getting a new curriculum for him because he is my special ed child. So he's not at a 6th grade level. He's just not. Wish he was, but he's not. So we're going to have to probably send this one back and get a special ed box. So I'll unbox that too and show what we got in special ed for him. So you'll probably get 4 boxes out of us. Each kid's different curriculum. To start off, we get 1 printer per family you can get from them automatically. So this is a printer that got sent from them. It's the HP DeskJet Plus 4140. You get that for the whole family. Well, for the family, that's the children. So you get that automatically. And then we got a whole box sitting back here of supplies. K12 is a free public online school. There's no cost. So there's no cost to you. So the stuff I'm showing you, we did not have to pay for. If we go the route of going homeschool traditionally, we will have to pay for that out of our pockets on whatever coursework we decide on. I'm looking into all the options of how people that do homeschooling, what are the different options or programs that they utilize, and deciding what's going to work best for our kids. I might even decide to take that leap halfway through the school year. Not yet, though. Not ready yet. But let's dive into the 6th grade K12 box. So, we're going to open this box up. And at the top, we do have a list of what we should be getting. Well, that's actually a list from one of the boxes. Because I did look to kind of make sure we got things that we should have gotten. This is the first box we're opening. This one says it's the Science Grade 6. Each box is labeled for what it is. So it's kind of an unboxing of unboxings. So for Grade 6 Science, we got a stopwatch, some modeling clay. There's just a bottle. Then we got some copper and wires. So it looks like there's going to be some experiments going on. There's magnet set. goggles, gotta be safe. If you're gonna do some experiments, you gotta be safe. There's a battery pack. Some of the bendy sticks, I forget what they're called. Bendy sticks is what we're gonna call them. There's a test tube. I'm gonna just put that back in the box. This is like lamp conductors. And then we've got a compass is in that box. And lamp bulbs, set of 4. So it looks like you're going to learn how to build a lamp. It looks like there might be some experiments that you're going to do with the bottle and the test tube. And there's obviously some magnets. So that's all the experimental stuff that you get with science. Now, I believe the book, I thought there was a book, but maybe not. I thought there was a book. It doesn't look like there's a book in there. So, I guess you don't get a book with science. All the grades are different. So, we're going to set that to the side. And then we got just a loose book here, which is the World Geography book. Nice hardcover. Looks brand new. Obviously, it's not, because these do get sent back. But you just got the World Geography. Then we got this box, which is the Physical Education Kit. So the PE box. There's another list telling you what should be in there. We have a ball and pump. So it comes with a ball and pump. A box that doesn't have any label on it, so we're going to have to open it. Another stopwatch. I think I said I was a stopwatch on the other box too, so they overlap that a little bit, but it's okay. And a jump rope. So they send you a couple little things to use for physical education. I don't know if that's going to be something that they do in class and they say this is what you're doing today, or if they're just going to say, like, you've got to be doing some physical education every day. We do Taekwondo, so technically they do that anyway. But I don't know if they're going to, like, mandate it. You have to do it with them. They're not sure. And then you got your math grade 6 book. That's another hardcover, in good shape book. It is an online education, so you're going to be doing a mixture of coursework online and in books. And then this is the computer box. So we cut that open. Now for the computer, got all the little welcome things, how to set it up, all that stuff. We've got to do that. This I could probably set up regardless. I was waiting on this box. This is an HP computer. This is a huge upgrade from what we had last year at the school. We had iPads. I don't think iPads are the best way to go. I really don't. I haven't been happy with using iPads. Too many kids associate iPads with playing, so that is a problem, and they break so easy. So, I'm going to open it up, but nice size laptop. Not a bad looking laptop, but it's a decent size HP. Trying to make sure it stays protected while it's not out and set up. Then you've got like your cords and everything in there that you would need for setup. This is a mouse. So you get an actual mouse. You got all your cords in here. And you get a headset for when you're in online class. So that's what you would get in the 6th grade box. There's not a ton, but there's a decent amount. Like I said, this is mostly, like, some of the coursework is probably going to be getting sent back because it's just too advanced for him. We're missing some stuff. Hold up. So yes, we did skip a box. And it's the literature box. I was thinking, I know he had something else. So, I forgot it upstairs. Whoops. So for literature at the 6th grade level, he got The Secret Garden. We've all heard that book. Shakespeare's The Twelfth Night. Classic for young readers, or classics for young readers. And Myths of Ancient Greece and Rome. Then he also got these two that are like kind of like magazines, Animal Adventures and Believing Our Eyes and Ears. Ears and Eyes. Ears and Eyes. Yeah, I'm blonde. I am really blonde. And Supplemental and Anthology 6. So, that's what comes in that box. Guys, I hope that this helped you make your decisions, helped you kind of decide if K12 would work for your family. And if not, I hope it helped sway you whichever way you have to go. Whichever decision you make, I understand it's a challenging decision. Whether you're sending them back to school, you're doing e-learning, you're doing homeschool, you're doing online public school. No matter what decision you're making, it's a challenging decision right now. Parents are struggling with this decision, and I get that. We struggled as well. I hope we made the right choice, but we'll find out. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the bell so you don't miss future uploads, and we will catch you on the next one.